Alright, I just made this video to show my installation of the new GeminII II CPU cooler from CooolerMaster. Also, I have connected here 2 fans, just like all of the other fans I have. It's supposed to be fairly quiet, but it moves a lot of air, and in fact it does that job very well. Like I said before, I really like the CPU cooler. It's not exactly the best CPU cooler out there, you know, as far as a radiator, but it has one of the largest surface areas of CPU coolers that are out right now. There are a couple others that are better, but I really like this one because it'll keep my memory cool as well as my CPU and the motherboard. In fact, if you come over here, you'll see, oh, gotta get closer. I have my PC probe on, and I actually have these numbers over here, which are impossible to see. See if I can get in. I think you can see 91 degrees. Very good temperature, because it was about 112 before I put the CPU cooler in. The motherboard temperature, which is also kind of hard to see, that one reads 87. The temperature that one read was about 104. So it's actually pretty good temperature. Pretty good temperature drop, I should say. But that's basically it. Hopefully I will make another video if I add anything else to this. But that's basically it. So, just gonna say goodbye.